students, welcome to Shruti Academy. So let us start with the question number 9 of exercise 12.2 of chapter 12 Heron's formula for class 9 CBSE NCERT. So it is the last question of this exercise. Okay. So the question number 9 says a field is the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 and 10 meters. The non-parallel sides are 14 and 13 meters. Find the area of the field. So we need to find the area of the field with the help of Heron's formula. Okay. So first of all, let us draw the figure. So here we have to draw a trapezium. A trapezium is a closed figure, four-sided figure having two parallel sides and having two non-parallel sides. So let us first draw the parallel sides. Let these sides be parallel and let the other sides be non-parallel. So these are the parallel sides and the rest of them are the non-parallel sides. Okay. Now they are saying that parallel sides are having the values 10 meters and 25 meters. Okay. And the non-parallel sides are having the values to be 14 meters and 13 meters. Okay. So now we can draw a helping line from here and we can convert it into a parallelogram over here. Drawing a parallel line with this. So this is 14. So this will also be 14 meters. Okay. So now the trapezium is divided into two parts. One is the parallelogram. Let us mark it. A, B, C, D and E. So one is the parallelogram with the sides with the vertices A, B, D, E and the sides A, B, B, D, D, E and EA. And other is a triangle which is BDC, triangle BDC having sides BD, DC and CB. Okay. So if this is 10, this will also be 10 and the remaining this DC will be 25 minus 10 which will be 15. Okay, 15 meters. So now if we calculate anyhow the area of this parallelogram and the area of this triangle, so we can easily find the area of the whole field by adding both the two areas. Okay, so here we can easily calculate it with the help of Heron's formula. This forms a scalene triangle. So the area of triangle BDC, area of triangle BDC will be equal to, using the Heron's formula, will be equal to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where A will be equal to 14, B will be equal to 13 and C will be equal to 15. So how we got 15? We can easily calculate over here. I am just writing it in order to get how you are getting 15 over here. So there could be no confusion. So I am writing over here how you got 15 meters. Okay. So this area we can easily find it out. So let us find out the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is the sum of all the sides upon 2. Means perimeter upon 2. Okay. So 14 plus 13 plus 15 upon 2. So it comes out to be equal to 42 upon 2, which comes out to be equal to 21 meters. So the semi-perimeter comes out to be 21 meters. Now let us calculate the area. So area of triangle BDC will be equal to under root S is 21, S minus A is 14, S minus B 21 minus B is 13, and 21 minus C is 15. Okay, so it will come out to be 21 into 7. 21 minus 14 is 7, then 21 minus 13 is 8, and 21 minus 15 is 6. So we'll be making the factors, and we will be finding out the square root. After then we will be finding out the square root. So let us make the factors over here. So under root 7 into 3 is 21. Okay. Seven into 3 is 21. Then we are already having a 7 over here. Then 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, and 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So let us do the pairing. So this 7 and 7 forms one pair, this 3 and this 3 forms one pair, and the 2 and 2. The pairing of 2 and 2 can be this and this. So we are getting over here 7 into 3 into 2 into 2. So it forms 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 12 7s are 84 meter square. So now we have already got the area of this triangle. Now we need to find out the area of the parallelogram. So area of parallelogram ABDE will be equal to base into height. Okay, so here we don't know the height over here. So let us mark this. This height would be the same this height. So if we find out the height of the triangle, that would be only the height of the parallelogram. So let us write down over here, height of triangle BDC or BCD, you can write anything, will be equal to height of parallelogram. ABDE. Okay, so let us find out the height. So in order to find out the height, we can also use the formula over here, half base into height, because if we consider this height and this base, so the area will be the same whether we use half base into height or we use the Heron's formula. Here we have found it out with the help of Heron's formula. Okay, so the area will remain the same no matter. So area can be area of triangle BDC will be also given by half base into height. Okay, so area we have already calculated it, 84, that we will be substituting over here. Okay, so we will be getting 84 is equals to half base is 15 and height we need to find it out. So height will be equal to this 2 will go that side, so it will be 84 into 2 upon 15. This gets cancelled by 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 2, 3 8s are 24. Okay, so we'll be getting over here 5 5s are 25.3, 3 will be the remainder, 6, 5.6 into 2, so it will be 6 2s are 12, 5 2s are 10 and 11, 11.2 meters. So this will be the height. This much will be the height of the triangle as well as the height of the parallelogram. Okay, so now we can easily put this in the formula and we can find out the area of the parallelogram, and then we can add both the areas and we can get the total area of the field. So area of parallelogram A, B, D, E will be equal to base into height. So for the parallelogram, this parallelogram, our base will be, I'm marking it with red. The parallelogram's area I'm marking with red. So the base will be 10. Okay, so the base will be 10. And height we have calculated 11.2. So this comes out to be 112 meter square. So now let us add both the areas and get the total area of the field. So the total area of field will be equal to area of triangle BDC plus area of parallelogram. Okay, so it will be equal to 84 plus 112 meter square. So that comes out to be equal to 196 meter square as my answer. Okay. So this was the way which we have to do in this question. You can also directly put the area of the trapezium and calculate. Okay, I have calculated the area of the parallelogram. For the area of the trapezium also you need the height, because the area of the trapezium is given by half sum of two parallel sides into height. So when you will calculating the height, you can directly put in the area of the trapezium and you can find out the area of the whole field also. Or you can do in this manner as I have done, like taking the parallelogram and then adding both the areas. Okay, so thank you. So please subscribe my channel, please share my videos, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.